Good morning to everyone. Namaste. Welcome to Swami Vivekananda Ashrama, Mudigunta, Mandal Jaipur, District Manchiryal, Telangana, India. So today is a good day, a beautiful day, wonderful day. Rama is the God for Hindus. Allah is God for Muslims. Yesu is God for Christians. For one is the God for all. Who is that? Can you expect? Yes, Sun is the God for all. So today we are going to practice just 15 minutes meditation on Sun. Please sit comfort, Vajrasan or Padmasan or Sukhasana. I am sitting in Padmasan. If you comfort, you sit in Padmasan or you sit in Vajrasan or you sit in Sukhasana. If you are sitting any asana, should not move up to 15 minutes. First you should control your physical body. We can touch, we can see. But we cannot touch, we cannot see the mental body, the mind. So if you control physical body first, automatically your mental body will come under your control. So this is Dhyana Mudra. Left hand down, right hand up, slightly touch your thumbs. Sit erect, gently close your eyes. Take a long deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breath in, breathe out. Breath in, breathe out. Do the prayer which is related to your religion within mind. Now, with few blinkings and gently open the eyes. First, see in front of the knees. Just forward. Just forward. Just forward. Up, up, up. Now, see the beautiful, wonderful shape of the sun, brightness of the sun, color of the sun, energy of the sun. Observe the white light, bright energy. Gently close your eyes. See the beautiful, wonderful shape of the sun. White light, bright of the sun within mind. Again, gently open the eyes, look forward in front of the knees. Just forward, 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 up. See the beautiful, wonderful shape of the sun. White light and bright of the sun. Observe the beauty of the sun, who is our direct God. Without blinking your eyes, observe the power of our direct God. Gently close your eyes. shape, white, light, bright, energy of sun within mind. Now, next step. Inhale within mind, say sun. Exhale within mind, say sun. Like this. Inhale, sun. Exhale, sun. Sun God. Exhale, say sun God. Sun God. Inhale within mind, say sun God. Sun God. Exhale within mind, say sun God. When you are inhaling, say sun God within mind. Your body should be energized. When you are exhaling with sun God, saying that energy should spreading throughout your body parts. We are getting the subtle vibrations in the body. That means energy circulating to each and every organ, each and every tissue, each and every cellular level. Just experience it. Continue for 2 minutes. After exhalation, stop the breath few seconds. If there is no breath, there is no heartbeat, there is no lungs movement, there is no kidney, liver, pancreas, intestine, brain and mind function. That means all important organs are taking a deeper and deeper rest. From birth to death, there is no rest for all important organs. In the sleeping also, heartbeat will be 72 times per minute. 5 liters blood pumped to each and every organ within 1 minute. From birth to death, there is no rest for heart. Like lungs, kidneys, liver, pancreas, intestine and brain. But in the meditation, all important organs are taking deeper and deeper rest. After exhalation, stop the breath few seconds. Increase the gap time gradually. In the gap, observe the relaxed and collapsed heartbeat. Continue for 2 minutes. Observe the relaxed and collapsed heartbeat. Total silence. Ocean of silence in our body. experience of the inner silence to help spreading three-dimensional awareness of our body to all pervasive awareness. Expand your silence in your surroundings beyond our physical body limits. Expand, expand, expand. Now your silence is like a big lake. Expand, expand, expand. Now your silence is a big ocean. Chanting of sun god is a soft wave in the big ocean. Now that soft wave merged into ocean. There is no chanting of sun god. So you are in the ocean of silence. This is the Ajapa state. Ocean of silence. Enjoy with the ocean of silence. Enjoy. Enjoy with infinite silence. Now slowly connect with the universal soul with the sun. You are seeking the energy from the unlimited energy, who is our direct God. Now we are merging, joining in the universal soul that is our direct God, Sun. Increase the expansion, expand, expand, expand. Now you are the Sun. You have the unlimited energy. Enjoy with the infinite silence. Enjoy, 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 Now you are the universal soul, enlightened person in the world. Finally, repeat one positive thought. My immunity power is very strong. I am healthy, so happy. Say within mind 9 rounds with full of faith. Gently stop the practice. Bring your awareness on your body and surroundings. Release your hands. Rub your palms. Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. Give a nice massage to your face muscles and also neck muscles with few blinkings, and gently open the eyes. So, mind is the main cause for all chronic diseases. Stress is the main cause for all chronic diseases. By practicing sun meditation, relieve stress, anxiety, depression. So, cures all chronic diseases, especially in children. Improve the concentration and memory. Sun is the symbol for heat. By practicing sun meditation, improve the heat in our body. In winter season, we are getting so many lungs disorders like cough, cold, running nose, asthma, lungs allergy, COVID-19, like so many benefits. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video. Namaste.